Hey guys, what's up? So today I wanted to show you this 1981 Wayne Lifeguard Maintenance and Operational Manual. Now most of what's in this is the same as the manual that I have for the 86 Wayne Lifeguard, but I just want to show you the artwork on the front and back of the book and, just flip through it real quick. So on the front, we actually have this cool sketch-like picture of what appears to be a Wayne Dodge. And then there's another Wayne, and you can see there's students on it, and there's trees, and it's on the road. So that's a pretty cool front cover. Now, on the back, we have the quality leader in bus transportation, Wayne Corporation. And what I found interesting was this, because you have this little line, and then you hit the lifeguard, and then the busette. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and flip through it real quick. Something this one has that the other one didn't was this Wayne service warranty brochure type thing. You can see Wayne Corporation service warranty. So it actually folds out like so, and it tells you about the Wayne warranty and all that kind of stuff, Wayne Corporation, and there's a bunch of stuff about the warranty. And it's kind of like a little certificate type thing. And then there's, I'm guessing rules and regulations and, stuff like that. So that was cool. And then this was in all of my Wayne books, the Wayne warranty. We, just have pictures of the inside of the bus, door handles and stuff like that. Not much else, just diagrams. And like I said, it's pretty similar to the other Wayne manuals I have. I just wanted to show you guys the artwork and stuff that was on the outside. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will go ahead and link the other videos I've done of Wayne school bus sales brochures and stuff like that, so you guys can check them out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think.